Hello, you traders. I hope so everybody is fine. Here I'm going to give the technical analysis of the gold for the 2024 year. We will see the possible areas for the buying perspective and as well selling perspective. As you know that gold is a safe haven. So a lot of people who used to invest in the gold to save and to make nice profits. So if you look at here the past history, as I've opened the 3 months time frame chart, you can see that market, if you look at here, let's suppose for the 20 from Monday 1st January 2018, you can see the price was approximately $1,300 per ounce. And if you will look at here the end of that area, so you can see here the $1,500 approximately. You can see here that market normally moves in a year for the gold is approximately $1,000 to $2,000 per ounce. Even though if you look at here from Monday 1 April from Monday 1st January, you can see here the price was 1414. And if you look at here the end of that way, so you can see that 1584. Or if you look at here the long, like 1700, like market has moved approximately 3000 plus pips, but approximately market has ended with 1500 to $2000, 2000 pips, mips 2000 pips move approximately. So normally we can see that in 1 year, if you are a long-term trader, so you need to see some things approximately. You need to look at if you are looking for the buying and selling positions, but mostly for the gold you need to look for the long-term buying stuff, because it's a safe haven. And the investors and manipulators, they will not allow gold market towards the bearish way, because a lot of countries and a lot of people having the really, they used to initiate the good investment in the gold. So that's why the normally the market price is approximately 1500 to 2000 pips move upside. But here this is a psychological thing. But here now we need to look at the gold movement technically, that where we can see gold in our next few years, or what are the possibilities in 2024 where we can see gold next. So here first of all, the big thing is that uh, there are approximately 80 to 90% chances that we can see this year approximately $2,400 per ounce this area. Now reason the on the behalf of that, if you look at here technically, you can see here guys that market has approximately created a very beautiful cup and handle pattern. And you can see here this is the proper formation of cup and handle pattern. And here we are just at the edge 2000. This edge is approximately 2060 area, so we just need at least a small breakout above. Whenever we will get a breakout above this area, we can look for approximately 2400 level. Now reasons, let me tell you. First of all, if you look at here, we will search with you that what is cup and handle pattern. Now if you google it, cup and handle pattern, you can see that market, it normally moves like it's a market first of all creates a cup, then it creates the handle. Sometimes in the handle market is in different ways, sometimes like it's in a zigzag, or sometimes market is in a downtrend. You can see here that market is moving here in a different way, here in a different way, here in a like sideways. In a handle pattern, sometimes it's in a handle pattern market is sometimes in the sideways, sometimes market is creating like this type of stuff. So sometimes it's like a bearish trend line. So this is how market behave in the cup and handle pattern. And here you can see in cup and handle pattern, the more it will be more clear for you guys that market has make the high. Market has started here from the movement. This was the movement for the cup and handle pattern. And if you look at here, this was slightly bearish. So here you can see that market has created here the nearly market was creating the very nice pattern here. And we market is just waiting for the breakout of this area, that was approximately 2070 area. And this time in 2023, of at the end of 2023, we got a slightly breakout above this area, like 2100, and approximately this area 2120 approximately we got a move. But still though, we get a closing of 3 month candle just below 2070. So this way we can see this time that market is nearly, because whenever market used to create such type of wicks, so there are strong possibilities that market you will cover it in as soon as possible. As you can see here, these wicks are really important. Actually, a lot of traders, they used to ignore these wicks, but these wicks actually indicates the future of the market. As you can see here, that first of all markets creates here a wick, then it falls downside. Again you can see that market has tried to create cover that wick. Again it comes downside after creating the wick. Here you can see that again market has tried and created a slightly half wick as per these wicks. And by this time, approximately after 1.5 year, market has covered all these wicks. Whatever market has created, market has just given us the closing below that. So this time there's a huge possibility that we can see the upward movement. Now what are the possible areas if you are long-term traders? So first of all, you will see all those areas. So sorry. Now if you look at here, we will just look at this candle very clearly, very approximately, very we need to look at this candle just very very keenly, and we should have to understand what are the possible areas. Now if you look at here, that as per Fibonacci retracement levels, so our first important area for the gold for this year or for the next 3 months, that would be this area approximately. We need to just mark those areas, 2029, and second area is 1942. So we need to understand this time that for the gold, if you are looking for the buys for the next 3 months, because we are looking the 3 months right now time frame. For the next 3 months, whenever we will get the opportunity at 1942 and 2020 area, we need to look for the buy trades, and we can hope for our targets. We need to again check it out what should have to be our possible targets for the gold. And you can see here that our first possible targets are 2365. As I mentioned before, that we can see 2400, we can see 2400. So this is the strong possibility that we can see the 2400 approximately. So this was the one factor which you need to understand, that we are at the ends of the cup and handle pattern, and whenever we will get the formation above 2080 or 2070 area, we can look for the long-term buy trades. Now if we look at here the monthly time frame chart is still though telling you the same thing approximately. So here few more things you need to understand on the monthly time frame chart. We have a few trend lines that market needs to respect those trend lines, and also you should have to mark on your charts as per technicals. So our first area for the technicals is that whenever, if market will not respect this area, let's suppose we need to look at here the first area 2022 20, then again our second area should have to be 1940, and if market will not respect to that, then 1880 is our area where we can see like this type of movement. So this is the second possibility. And the third possibility for the gold we have, and that is as well from on the buying perspective, because we are not here looking any sell signals here. If you look at here more properly gold, you will see and understand very precisely that market having a lot of buying momentum, first thing. And secondly, we have a very nice cup and handle pattern. We just need a breakout above this area, just breakout above this area. Now on the second side of monthly time frame chart, you can again see these areas, the importance of these areas. If we got a breakout, if we got a movement at 1940, that is also second confirmation that we can see the movement slightly, that market can go as 1940. That will be the best opportunity for the long-term trades, and you can hold your buy trades from 1940. If you will get the opportunity at 1940, this will be the best trade for you guys. Here we can see some fake movements towards downside, but 1940 is the best area to look for the gold trades. And you can look for approximately targets 2300, approximately 3000 to $4000, 4000 pips move. This is what we are looking as per as per monthly time frames chart. Now if you will look at here weekly for the 2024, that what are the possible positions, and same way you can see here that market is still low respecting still low respecting these areas. So we just need a movement we just need a breakout below this area. If market will comes down to this area, then again 1940 is will be the best opportunity for us to look for the buy trades. And second, our best opportunity will be approximately 1780 or 1780, like 1800. This would be the area for the buying trades. Now on the upper side, right now we are not looking any properly selling momentum, but here we have the particular one zone area that we should have to look at very precisely. That is approximately 2091. Yeah, this area you need to look at this area very importantly. And this is a very important area, because if you look at here the monthly time frame chart as well, we still though did not get any closing above 2090. So if you will get the closing above 2090 on the monthly chart, you can still though enter your buy trades for the long term, but you need a proper confirmation. If you look at here daily time frame chart as well, here you will again see one more thing, that still though we did not get a closing above 2090. So for you guys, I will suggest you to look at approximately 2091 area for the long-term buy trades. So until before that, you should not have to look for the sell trades. Now on the daily time frame chart, here for scalpers like small scalpers, or if you want to hold your trades, you can see here one more movement here, and that will also will update you about the gold prices. Guys, listen here. If you will look at here, let me yeah, you can see here that market is moving in between these areas and 2020 area. Again market goes after 2020, market gets a push from there 2060, and again market comes to this area, and market has given us a fake breakout, and again market has tried to cover this fake breakout, and again it's right now moving towards approximately again that same area 2045. If we got a movement above 2045, you can look one more possibility that that market can easily can break out this area. If market give us the breakout above 2060 or near to this area, there are strong possibility that we can look for the proper breakout above 2090. So overall, all the scenarios for the gold are approximately bullish. And if you are a bearish, and if you want to look for the bearish trades and bears, if you are a bear, so I will suggest you the first possibility is that whenever market comes to this area like 2021-20, and you can see here this trend line 2060, and right now this trend line is approximately 2040. So these are the areas. If market will get 2040, you can look for the scalping sell trades, and again whenever until, and you can wait for until the breakout again 2020. And this, if you will get the again if you will get here the rejection, you can hold your trades till 1940. So this is for the sellers, for the bears. I hope so you understand this video, and I hope so this will help out you in your trading. And stay blessed and stay connected with us, real traders. So if you have any questions, any queries, you can just post your questions in the comment box as well, or you can contact us on the Telegram at the rate Rio Traders, or the rate Rio Trader Sport. We will always try our best to help out you guys in this market. So stay blessed and God bless you. Have a blessed year.